Looking back at your Christmas, but we're going to take a little closer look at that Christmas just overall when it comes to those averages, those extremes, not just in temperatures, but also when it comes to snow and even some rain. The average on your Christmas day is 27 degrees, 16 for your low. The record high occurred in 1881 at 47 degrees, record low at -10 in 1884. When it comes to that snowfall, though, we usually average out about less than an inch, but our record is actually 10 inches back in 1902, which also, when you convert that snowfall into water, it actually equaled 0.83 inches of rain. When it comes to your actually average rainfall, because there is some years where we do see some rain, it tends to average at 6/100th of an inch of rain. But looking at today for your Monday, those temperatures day after Christmas, we see those temperatures relatively warm, especially ahead of the cold front. 36 is what it topped out in Marquette and Munising, 34 in Escanaba, 37 in Iron Mountain, all the way through Ontonagon and Houghton. Looking at those winds, though, still hanging on a little bit to that southwesterly direction, though. 15 in Ironwood, 7 in Houghton, 14 in Marquette, 13 in Munising. But those temperatures are going to be falling as we get deeper into the overnight. Looking at what's ahead, as that cold front makes its way through, those winds will continue to shift. We'll eventually have partly sunny skies for both Tuesday and Wednesday, with some isolated flurries embedded in there. And another cold front will begin to make its way towards the UP on Thursday, which will actually help knock those temperatures even further down a notch. So we'll actually see about a good 15-degree difference in temperatures from today on Monday going to, say, Friday. You're going to see that noticeable difference later on in your extended outlook. Looking at that futurecast, as we deal with the last bit of that system pushing away, which did bring that mixed precipitation last night, we did see a mixture of rain, snow, freezing rain, and sleet. We are going to see a couple of clippers make their way through Thursday, which will bring some cold air into the UP going into Friday and eventually into Saturday. But right now, accumulations when it comes to snowfall are going to be relatively on the light side, nothing as strong as we saw back a couple of weeks ago with those stronger snow systems. Looking at your tonight, though, 17 degrees, mostly cloudy and cooler with those winds out of the northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. So it's going to feel more closer to 10 degrees going into your early Tuesday morning. Going into your day planner a little more closely, sunrise occurs at 8:33 a.m. Temperatures are not going to rise too much from those upper teens going into tomorrow morning into those low 20s by the afternoon, thanks to really a good amount of cloud cover, even though some sunshine will break its way through the region, and even throughout the overnight hours, that moonlight will also fight its way through. So temperatures are not going to fall too much, maybe into those upper teens if we're lucky, maybe even mid-teens, depending how much that cloud cover begins to break out throughout the afternoon and into the evening. But going into the extended outlook, now going towards the last couple of days of the year, especially now as 2016 is making a way towards its end. The final 5 days of 2016 will still be in those 20s, at least for Tuesday into Wednesday, but slowly climbing from the low 20s towards the 30-degree mark on Thursday. We'll increase that flurry chance as that cold front pushes its way through. But on the final 2 days of the year, for Friday and Saturday, we'll only hover about 20 degrees for your afternoon. Morning lows are only going to hover in those low teens, but on December 31st, we could be dealing with a couple more snowflakes coming in as another disturbance pushes its way through. So 2016 is looking like it's going to end on a white one, and 2017 could continue as well with some even colder temperatures to ring in with the new ball drop.